Yes, in this video, we want to be looking for distance, speed, and time. But before we get started, what is distance? Distance is how far. Speed is how fast. While time is how long. So by their units, I will start by telling you their unit and giving it what they mean. So distance is measured in kilometers. Distance is measured in kilometer or meter. So that is the distance of point A to point B, like from Nigeria to USA, from Lagos to Kaduna. So that's the distance. So the speed is how fast. That means someone moving at maybe 2 kilometers per hour is different from someone moving at 3 kilometers per hour. So that's just for example. So speed is measured in kilometers per hour or meter per second. So for example, if a driver is driving at 200 kilometers per hour, it's going to cover the distance faster than the driver driving at probably 40 kilometers per hour. So that is the speed. The time is how long. So how long it takes to complete the journey, and time is measured in hour or seconds. Time is measured in hour or seconds. Now let's look at their formulas, their individual formulas. So to find the distance is equal to speed times time. Distance is equal to speed times time. That's the formula for finding distance. Why the speed is distance divided by time. Distance divided by time. While the time is distance divided by speed. To calculate how far, how long, and how fast it's going to take to get a distance journey covered, or if someone has a meeting somewhere, how long does it take you to really meet up with the meeting, like driving at a particular time. And that's just the basic application of the distance, speed, and time. And that's why we can actually calculate the time it will take an aircraft to travel from an African country like Addis Ababa, Ethiopia, to another place like, let's say, an Asian country like China. So this is what helps us to do that. So it's just a witty guess, a normal calculation will help us. And do not forget, distance is just how fast, and distance is how far rather, and it's measured in kilometer or meter. So it has to be in kilometer or meter. Speed is how fast, that is how fast the object is moving, or the car is moving, the train is moving. So like we have electric train that moves faster than the normal locomotive trains. We have even the aircraft, they are faster than each other. So it has to be in kilometer per hour or meter per second. So while time is how long it takes. So time is mostly measured in hour or seconds. Do not forget, we don't measure time in minutes for this topic. We don't measure time in minutes for this topic. So that's part of the mistakes that some kids do make. So whenever they have their time in minutes. So if you have your time in minutes, is that you take it to seconds, depending on what you have, by multiplying it by 60, or take it to hour by dividing it by 60. So that depends on what you have. So meaning that any time in minute is not used in this topic. So if you have your time in minutes, so is either you multiply by 60 to seconds, or you divide by 60 to hour. So that's what you do to it. So thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe and watch more videos where we'll solve questions, finding the distance, the speed, all the time. Thank you for watching.